have you done that before?
I mean,
do you have experience with the mangina style?
Yeah. I'm sure he does.
It's when you tuck the penis,
because I've never heard of that.
You know what a mangina is, right?
Started my
Loser.
I don't think Big Chaos could do a mangina.
We do mangina.
You seem to have a lot of experience with it.
Balls
Like, really
Hey, Birdie13, what's going on? All right, I don't know why we kicked them, but you know what? Stay in the lineup. We got some new people coming on this show. I see it. I love it. They're canned up.
Yeah.
JT3's out there.
Yeah, Birdie
echoing.
How am I telling
Birdie
everybody
ain't
about
getting no
us?
mic.
What did I say?
She told me everything.
I only said it to Lib.
And then I told everyone.
Yeah. They need to
The
get their
delay
act
is
together.
crazy.
You know what I mean? Listen, there's a love and there's a poop method on the show. Check this out. There's a love on the left. There's a poop on the right. I know the delay is real, but we're fixing it. And we figured out how long we want this guy to stay on. If we like him, we'll love him. Look, they just pooped him.
Loser.
Okay? So he might be getting kicked off in a minute, but someone might vote him up.
Nobody
and that's how we
loves
determine
me.
who stays on the
Nobody
screen.
loves
Pretty
me.
cool, huh?
I get
I
no
think
love on
the only
this
way he can
side.
save himself right now is to tell us a dirty little secret.
Ooh.
Have you ever?
Oh, that's not true.
Yeah, you do, admit it.
Francie's obsessed with you. Just quietly.
Big Chaos, when you dress up as a woman, because I know you have done.
Yes, that beautiful Esmeralda dress.
Do you feel? How does it make you feel? Did you enjoy the experience?
well, got bearded pirate hooker before. I walked the strip of Hollywood, and it's rough out there. Okay, it's a jungle. It's a jungle.
Yes, you did.
I was molested 3 times, groped. I was groped numerous times. People like they were just rubbing up on my booty. No, no, I can tell I can tell a goose when I feel one. And you know, you know, thank God for Emma and well,
You know you
liked it.
wow.
Mr. Peepers, I don't sell weed.
But did you enjoy it?
The chat is
Did you
Well,
enjoy it? Did you get an urge to do it again?
Well,
Maybe you do it in secret.
Only when I have my red high heels on. When I see my red high heels, it's just like I gotta put on the velvet. Yeah.
Only during role play.
Well, I like with those on my skin.
You have to.
So it was really soft.
Yeah. Yeah.
And what do you think of Caitlin
Oh, I think
Chaos? Do you
I
think
think
she
she's
scrubs
a
up
fine
okay?
looking woman.
Is that part of your
On the
pretty
booty, you
ratio?
like the flesh
I mean-
water?
Isn't she?
Well,
Would you
I'd
tap
have to
that?
have permission.
Dat.
I'd have to have.
Not that in the back.
I mean, if she- hey, thank you.
Oh,
Thank you for that.
Emma.
I'm gonna have to
Thank
say
you.
no.
Thank you very much.
No.
You monster.
I do not share.
Open the door and then you say
Hey,
no.
I know how to work the system.
That was a trick question, and you answered very well.
This ain't my first rodeo.
So
All right.
he's on point.
You
He's on
too.
point. That's good.
Hi, Priscilla.
Jesus is coming over.
Yeah, you do.
Maybe I can have him torture me tonight.
Yeah, you do. No.
And can we get Gracie to cam up tonight?
Yeah,
'Cause
where's
she went,
Come on, Gracie.
she went through the same transition,
Oh, please.
except she had her willy cut, I believe.
Can you put your
Yeah,
heels
but
on for the
Cassie
torture, please,
went through
Chaos?
the same transition. So,
perfect.
yeah.
Yeah.
we
Gracie,
wanna-
if you're out there, come up.
Someone tell Gracie to get in the
Liquid love.
mix
I
for a
would bone
minute.
down all our generous.
We want to hear what she has to say. Or-
That's not fair,
He's
man.
a bad boy, Liquid Love.
Think,
All right, don't forget
I
to
think
call
the
us,
fonts is rubbing up on my girl a little too much over
We want
there.
to hear
All right.
everything.
We want to hear what you guys think. We
I
want to hear
think
your
the
thoughts on this.
fonts-
So far, no one has really opposed it. I'll go out on a
Messi,
limb.
do you oppose
Yeah,
it?
I
I
feel
do.
like you oppose
I
it.
oppose
I knew
it.
you would.
I do. I oppose it. I think it's dangerous for the youth. I think it's dangerous for this culture.
How?
About
How is it possible?
Beverly
explain.
Hills Live.
Let me explain
So
myself.
what's
I think it's
Beverly Hills
dangerous
Live
for the
gonna be?
youth Because it sends out signals that are really.
What's Beverly Hills Live? What kind of show is that going to be?
It's not natural. I just don't think it's natural.
Do you not, Messi? pussy.
It's the same argument for being gay or lesbian, though.
I guess so.
Yeah,
Wait,
I mean,
this is
Yeah.
this is a question.
This is your
Are
arena.
we allowed to talk about this?
This is a question for me. He
Yeah.
wants to know what my show,
Are we allowed to talk
Beverly
about
Hills
this?
Live, is.
Talk to him.
I'll talk to you, but I want you to come back on Monday from 8 to 10 and talk to us, and you can win prizes and play games with our hosts and our guests. But we're gonna have a lot of really crazy stuff coming up. Very different than Battle Cam.
I'm
Would you
really
still
shy
have
about doing.
cameras? Yeah.
It's horrible.
Yeah, he is.
He's terrified.
He's a
Yeah.
do it.
Big wars.
First of all, the delay on this show is like longer than it took for Bruce Jenner
Wow.
Bruce Jenner
Caitlyn.
to
I read her
realize
mind. That
it
was really
Bruce
nasty.
Jenner. That's like the gap here.
That's all right. That's all right. We're fixing it. It's not that bad.
No, it's a whole different
It's not
beast.
that bad.
It's a whole
Yeah,
different
it doesn't sound
animal.
like this show, but it's a different show,
starting
guys.
Monday.
What's that?
Starting Monday.
Well, yeah, I think we're starting Monday, but as the
No,
head
it's not Battle
writer,
Cam Live.
I can't guarantee anything. It's completely different. It's not this. It's
Like-
similar, but
Is it the
it's
kind of show
different.
that like I can win a prize if I
But
dress
you
up
have
like
to tune
a?
in to. No, it's not. But you can still come on our show, and this time we'll be giving stuff away, which is
I mean, something
is
like
nice.
this?
I mean, what prizes do you have? They're not better than ours.
No way.
We're giving away a bike helmet tonight.
Gorgeous
tonight's a
bike
bike helmet.
Bike helmet.
Next week
Safety
it's gonna be. If you want,
But hey,
some
I'll
like
eat 'em,
sex
but I'll
pills
try 'em
if you need
anyway.
a boner.
I would try them
We
anyway.
have those.
Why not try them? I'd snort some. I just
You
did.
can send some to Caitlin.
I'd snort some and I'd be like a bull.
Okay.
it's an
I'd be like a
enhancer.
wild
It's
bull.
That's what Emma told me.
Why not?
There you go.
Okay,
Hey,
we
gotta
got.
try everything. What?
Yeah,
This
test them out.
Yes, yes.
Test them out.
Like a wild.
Wait,
All right, we're taking a caller right now. Caller, you're live on the air. Talk to us. We're talking.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we hear you.
I think it's horrible what Bruce Jenner has done, and
Why?
I think
I
all of you should
sprayed
spray
mace
right
on my
your genitalia and go away.
Oh, really?
All of us.
But why do you think it's horrible?
that's another
Hold
show.
on, hold on. Why
I
do
think
you think it's horrible?
I think people are just making money off Bruce Jenner. He's doing it for money. He's a sick person. He should go to a mental institution.
Okay, well, you think he's
I mean,
making
maybe that's
money.
true. Maybe that's true. Maybe it's just
Maybe.
part of the whole Kardashian,
He's
you know.
65 years old. He's been Bruce
And
Jenner for
unban me.
4
Unban
decades.
me.
I know he
Macy.
must be bored by now. I mean, Bruce
Yeah.
Jenner's
It's not
bored.
He's got
Macy.
lots of money. He doesn't need money.
When you're already at the point in life that he is, as
You
far as like
just-
wealth,
Hey.
you don't change your
Yeah,
gender
exactly.
for money. That
No, God,
like
He's
when
only doing this
either
because he
of you
has to
guys
do it.
tell the world that you were changing genders
Yeah.
just to make some money.
Yeah, but has he
no.
had his willy chopped off yet? I mean, that's...
I'm just flabbergasted at
He's
the
not gonna
conversation.
go for women.
He's
He
not
said he
going to
likes-
get the willy
No.
off?
No,
Then I don't
man.
buy it.
Hey, Chaos.
Look at-
Chaotic.
Seriously?
Chaos, talk to us.
Seriously? A
this just a
man,
ploy for
a
attention and money,
straight
you
man
think?
would never cut his
Not.
Absolutely.
pee off.
could be.
Okay, I was going to say that
Me
C
too,
word,
that's why we're
but
doing this.
think about it. No matter how much money you give a dude, we love our winky. When we're a little kid, we find it in our diaper and we're like, ooh, what's this thing? I like it. I like this thing. Right here. We never cut it off, not even for
just
millions of
changes it.
dollars. So, someone who never wanted to have one, they've been wanting to
No,
cut that.
that's true. But he's not cutting it off, is he?
Also, he's just a transsexual. Or what do you call it? He said just.
I'm
It's just a
confused.
cross-dresser
So he
then.
wants to keep the willy.
Oh,
and,
forget this guy. Man, get out of here. I thought he was
to
getting.
keep it.
Oh, yeah,
I
you
don't.
do. You
Has
do.
he said
I
he's
thought he
going
was-
to keep it?
Then
Yes.
I'm a little confused.
That's right. He might be.
Do you
Oh,
understand
man.
that, Scott?
I don't, but I kind of like it though. I mean, he's keeping the penis.
Not
He's
gonna
dressing it a
lie.
woman, and he's going to be with
Hold
women.
on, hold on.
huh?
This guy's talking to you.
What's
He's saying
that?
get out of here to you. Scott?
I missed all that. I'm sorry. Say it again.
Yeah, but check it out. He's only.
Talk to him.
I thought he was really.
brave, honest
I thought he
move.
was really
He's
getting a sex
65 years
change,
old. He
man.
lived with us his entire life.
I didn't know he was
He's
just
been
doing
one of
like
the